When you take a selfie with text in it, does this happen? You take the picture, you look at the picture, and the text is backwards. This is how you fix that. You got to pop into the settings. Let's go all the way back out to the main settings area so you know where we are, and then find camera. And then scroll down to where it says mirror front camera and turn that either on or off, in my case off, to fix this issue. Now if I go back and take a selfie of the same word or whatever word you want, I just want to position it so you can see it in the background. This is tough. Okay, so you can see there it's written backwards on the screen. Now if I take this photo and I look at the photo, the words are the correct direction. So if you're taking selfies with text in the back and the words are backwards but you don't know why, that's the setting you can play with to see if you can get it to show up the proper way. And if you find that your cell phone has been slowing down, you also don't know why, it could be because of what's in this video right here. It could be viruses and malware slowing down your phone. This video shows you how to find them and how to fix it. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video and I'll see you there.